Hello friends, today we are repairing the remote control from the MAYAK-003 tape recorder. This is a USSR tape recorder and it is very old. Consumption when pressing any button is 50 milliamps. It seems to be normal and does not float. But the remote does not work. I have already disassembled it and on the left side I found damage to the ceramic capacitor. The housing on the remote has a crack. It looks like the remote fell and the capacitor broke off. Now I will find a capacitor of the same rating and replace it. And so, friends, I replaced it with a more modern capacitor, and as you can see it is much smaller than the one that was there. A capacitor with a capacity of 10 nanofarads. Next, I will assemble it into a case and try to test the remote control sensor on a multimeter. But I think that it is not infrared here and it will not be possible to check it. Current consumption has become less than 50 milliamperes and has become 20 milliamperes when pressing a button. I checked and indeed the sensor does not work. There are some other old operating technologies here. It turns out that you can only check on the tape recorder itself. Unfortunately, you can't check it any other way. I didn't find any more damaged parts. So you need to give the remote control to the owner for checking. So, friends, I'm right in front of this tape recorder and now we'll try to start the tape recorder from the remote control. As you can see, the remote control works great.